Hello, welcome to my channel. This is the yarn that I use. This kind of yarn, polyacrylic and acrylic yarn. And I use 3.5mm crochet hook. Start by doing a magic ring, chain, and then do a 6 single crochet inside the ring. Once done with 6 single crochet, pull the tail and then cut the yarn. Pull up the hook and insert your hook in this first chain. Then make a chain with the grain yarn. Pull the yarn tight and make a single crochet in the same chain, including the tail, the pink and the green tail. Then you can mark with a stitch marker your first stitch, and then single crochet in the following chain for a total of 6 single crochet around, and do it for 5 round spiral. After the 5 rounds, cut the yarn, then pull up this yarn, then take your darning needle and insert in the front loop only and sew the 6 front loop only stitch. Then do the same thing on the second one.